Easy Bead is manufactured by Alabama Metals Company. States that follow the 2006, 2009, and 2012 building codes require a casing bead for an exterior plaster wall system. Easy Bead is the type of casing bead that is ready to be caulked once installed, avoiding situations like this from expansion and contraction. Amico Easy Bead has a 3/8 inch wide, 1/4 inch deep expansion flange used as a spacer strip during installation. Once installed, it creates a functioning sealant joint. The expansion flange is made with a bond breaking tape. It is there to be a bond breaker between the sealant and the flange. Do not remove it. At the head of windows and doors, we need to install flashing, in this case drip cap, to allow water to exit at the head. Easy Bead is not to be installed at the head of windows and doors. Our contractor then places the Easy Bead on top of the building paper, in this case on top of the Keen rain screen, which is over the building paper. He then butts the bead against the jamb, nailing the flange as he goes. He then makes a cut on the outside of the flange, and he will then make a V-cut on the expansion part of the flange. We can now easily bend the Easy Bead under the sill to the opposite side of the window. Then make the same 2 cuts and bend the Easy Bead up the opposite jamb. Starting from the top of the jamb, we nail down until we tie in with the previously installed material. We now take our self-furred metal lath and bring it up over the flange into the ground of the Easy Bead. Windows are protected with tape and film, and then mortar is applied in anticipation of a hard coat finish coat or thin stone veneer. Once our finish is in place, now we're ready to go. We remove our protection, do a little bit of cleanup, and you can see that the expansion flange is in place, ready to act as a backer for the sealant. And we begin to caulk, and we can just go to town. There are many ways to tool the joint. There's usually some tools, but in the field, the finger method is often used. Easy Bead is used between all dissimilar materials, as you can see up here where the stucco comes into contact with the trim. We now have an aesthetically pleasing sealant joint that's functional as well, holding out moisture as well as air for our hard coat stucco veneer system as well as our thin stone veneer system.